am Nyo John Chua. I am an agricultural engineer. I am the founder of Sympatech Ltd. Sympatech Ltd is actually a company that is engaged into production of agricultural machines such as post-harvest machines, and my project is actually on production of cocoa pod breaking machine. Cocoa pod breaking machine is actually a machine that breaks cocoa and sieves automatically without destroying the seeds of the cocoa. Over the past year, we realized that Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, and Ivory Coast are some of the countries that produces the highest number of tons of cocoa in the whole wide world. So the breaking of cocoa in these countries has been done manually. The problem caused by this system of breaking cocoa is it causes low capacity of breaking cocoa, time wastage, poor quality, and low effectiveness, as well as injury on farmers. Now, cocoa pod breaking machine is actually coming in here to solve the problem by breaking 1 ton of cocoa just within 2 hours. Reduces injury on farmer, increase the quality of cocoa, increase the effectiveness of the breaking system. Now, our value proposition to our customers, we provide after-sales services to our customers such as maintenance services, and we also provide them with spare parts. When they buy the machine, we give them spare parts in case they get parts they will have to replace. We also give them guarantee after 2 years. If the machine gets bad within this year, we ask them to bring it back. Either we replace or refund their money. So that actually gives them hope for us. And we also give the farmers a discount. For instance, a farmer that is able to buy 2 machines, give a discount to such a customer, and this actually attracts them. And we also provide them with a patent right which tells them that this is actually a system that does not have fake producers or other companies that does not have the right to produce the machine. Just produce anything that they will buy, and it will have less effectiveness as it's supposed. Now, our market is actually segmented into 3. We have individual farmers, we have enterprises that are engaged into cocoa production, we have agricultural organizations such as NGOs and local governments as well. In 3 years, we aspire to sell up to 3,000 machines, given that Cameroon itself has up to 700,000 cocoa farmers who are into the production of cocoa. So we aspire that within 3 years, we shall be able to grab 3,000 farmers to purchase these machines, and we already have demand from these machines, which the farmers are sending in, and other companies are already sending in and demanding for the machine, both in Cameroon, Ghana, and even India, that are demanding the machine. Over these 3 years, we are hoping to have a net benefit of $450,000 US. And to have this project run successfully, we have a business forecast of $450,000 US to have the project run successfully. Now, the technology itself, this machine is actually a technology that does not need a software. It is mechanical, and this is actually the machine. You put the cocoa in here, they break in the breaking chamber, it moves down gravitationally into the sieving chamber. In the sieving chamber, they sieve, and the sieves fall out, and the chaffs fall out the other way. So it reduces time, problems engaged in the breaking system. So the machine is actually a dual system. It breaks and sieves automatically. Why should you invest in this project? This project already has the market, given that in Cameroon in particular, there is no machine already that is in use of this in this particular domain. And also in Ghana and Nigeria, which we hope to get into, who are the highest cocoa producing countries too, this system does not exist there. So we hope to increase and move into those markets. So investing in this business, you are guaranteed that you are in a right position to invest your money. Thank you.